Hello my friend, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited for today's video because we are going to be tackling some farmhouse decor DIYs. We haven't done farmhouse here in quite a while, so we are going to do that today. I'm just showing you some of the stuff that I am going to use. Well, I'm right here in the rub-on transfer section. You can see they have some nice, cute and new fall rub-on transfers. I really do love those. Those are really pretty, and I do end up using one of these packs of rub-on transfers, not the ones you just saw, but the another nice one that I found. I'm going to use it in this video. Look how cute these wooden decor pieces are. Happy harvest season, fall sweet fall, pumpkin season. I think I'm going to grab two of these because I have an idea for a DIY. Let's go ahead and jump right in with that first DIY. These are some really cute home decor pieces. They are made out of wood. For the fall time, they have those different phrases on them. And I wasn't going to start my fall DIYs just yet, but this is the only fall DIY that's going to be in this video. I'm not going to start just yet. I might start maybe the end of August. I just want to give you guys a couple more videos of regular home decor, you know, for every day before I start. But here I also have one of their wood planks that you can find in their craft section. I'm giving it a nice coat of this white paint all over. I give it 2 coats to get it nice and covered and, you know, stuff like that. Let it dry really well. You guys, I am super happy to be back and filming regularly. I am back home. If you've seen my previous videos, you know that I was on vacation and visiting family, so I wasn't able to post as much. But I'm super glad to be posting again, and I have missed you guys, missed posting, all of that. But I am super happy for summer to be ending. To be honest, I am a big, huge fall time girl. Let me know if you are a fall or a summertime girl or boy. But for me, I do love the fall time, so it does not bother me that it is coming to an end. But now you can see that I put in that screw and hook there, and I use my drill because it does help out a lot to just put it in much easier. And now that that's there, I'm going to attach the 2 coffee cups to the side, and this is going to create a nice stand. So I'm going to place one off to the left side here and then place the other one to the right side, and you just want to make sure you are placing them the correct way when you are hot gluing them down, and just press it down really well. Once that is together, you can see it's a nice little stand now, and I'm gonna take the same white paint on my paintbrush, and I'm gonna distress the sides of the coffee cups because I wanted to match the top stand part. So I'm just gonna give that a nice distressed look. If you want, you can completely paint it completely full if you wanted to, but I'm going to distress it to give it more of that farmhouse look, since we are doing farmhouse DIYs today. And I'm gonna let that dry and make sure you do it on both sides. Once we get that done, I am gonna take some of this rope from Dollar Tree, and I'm just gonna wrap it around right where the 2 items meet on the top shelf and that cup right there. So right on those 2 edges, I am just gonna hot glue it down. And I like to do this because not only does it give it a little extra character, but it also does help the 2 pieces stay together, because that rope is gluing to the top and the bottom part, so it's going to stick together much nicer. So you can see I'm wrapping it around, and then I'm gonna go to the back side and finish it off, and do that to the other side as well. And that will be it for this DIY, you guys. I think it turned out super cute, and I just love it. If you're a person that doesn't like a lot of coffee cups just hanging around, and you have the one or your favorite, you can hang it here with some tea on top or coffee, whatever you prefer to drink. And I just think it is super nice and really perfect for a little office as well, to organize your coffee stuff and drinks. Let me know what you think of this DIY. Moving along to the next DIY, I have here this frame. This is a canvas within a frame, and I think it's very nice, but I'm gonna make it a little bit more me. And so I'm going to cover up that frame because I do like how it looks already, so I don't want that to get messed up. I'm just going to cover it up with some painter's tape on all 4 of the sides, and then I'm going to give that canvas a nice coat of paint in some white. You can use, of course, whatever color you like, and I believe this sign is from TJ Maxx or something like that. One of those stores you can find one of these home decor signs. So I'm just going to give it a nice coat, and I do end up giving it a total of 4 coats because I want to really cover up those words and make sure you do not see them in the end. And I do let them dry in between each coat before I go on with the next. And once that's done, this is nicely painted and it's looking good. I'm now gonna take these 2 stems that you can find from Dollar Tree. You can definitely pick whichever stem you like or whichever floral, but I just wanted something almost bare, like a regular stem with just some neutral colors in it. And I'm gonna take this decorative tape, and that is what I'm gonna use to hold down these stems. These are tape, but I do still go in with a little bit of hot glue behind the leaves, so that way it can stick down really well. And I also go in with Mod Podge on top of that tape, so that way I can really make sure that that tape is going to stick to the canvas. And then we'll go ahead and do the same exact thing to the other stem. And you guys, I think this is super beautiful and really simple decor, but obviously you know me, I love my simple decor and stuff like this. I think it's just super nice and easy for anyone to put it together. So once we have the 2 stems, that is all I'm gonna do for this frame, and I think it turned out absolutely beautiful. You would have to let me know what you think. You can see how beautiful it looks hanging here on the wall. It's really nice and simple, and you can make just using a couple things from the store. You can even get the frame from Dollar Tree because Dollar Tree does carry canvases, so you can definitely make this using Dollar Tree canvases as well. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much to Dunda Technology for partnering with me for this video. If you haven't heard of them or haven't seen these folders or bags, these are super great, and I got them because I knew that I could use them for my DIY supplies. They are really nice and helpful to organize my DIY supplies like papers, scrapbook papers, packages of rub-on transfers, everything, you name it, papers and wood pieces. I think they are just great for just about anything if you are a DIYer, and if you're not, even if you're a teacher, if you have your own office or just for regular home stuff to get them organized, it is such a great thing to have. And they do this pack in specific comes with 24, and you can see they are quite large and a really nice size. They do have them also in 12 pieces, and you can either just put them together in a container or you can hang them on these little strings that are on the corner. So I think that is super nice, and they come in all of these different colors. And you can see just how big they are. I am pouring in all of these rows of stickers that I have, and they fit super perfect, and you could even fit way much more inside. And you can see all of these fun colors: yellow, green, pink, blue. They are super nice. This is the website. They have them on Amazon. I'm gonna have that link in my description box below, so after you are done watching my video, you can go ahead and check them out because I'm sure you're gonna love them. I know I do. They are really great and helpful. So yeah, do make sure you go ahead and check them out because I do highly recommend them. With that being said, let's move on to the third and final DIY. This one is going to be super quick and easy, but I just love how it turns out, and it just gives you that extra farmhouse look without much effort. If you are feeling like not doing too much in a DIY and you want something really nice and easy to do, then this one is for you. I have here one of Dollar Tree's candles. They always have these candles out, so I'm sure you can find them, and you can get them in whatever color that you desire. And now I have this rub-on transfer that I thought was super pretty with this pattern, and I thought looked very farmhouse, so I'm just attaching it onto my candle. And as you saw there, I did wipe the candle down first so I can make sure it's nice and clean and it can cling on really well. So I'm just wrapping it around the whole candle, and I did use the whole entire sheet for this candle. And all you want to do is just scratch it on with your fingernail or just something you can scratch with, and just simply slowly peel it up. You don't want to rip it off and take it off fast, because sometimes it does want to stay stuck onto that plastic film. So you don't want to mess up the pattern or anything like that. So just scratch and peel off slowly, especially when you're working with a big piece like this. So I'm just going to continue that process all the way around the candle until the entire pattern is put on there. And if you want, you can definitely go over it with some Mod Podge just to really make sure it stays onto the glass. But I'm not going to do that right now because I think it looks perfectly fine, and I think it's going to hold up. And also, whenever this candle is finished burning, you can clean it out and reuse the candle jar for another DIY, because the pattern is on there, so it already looks beautiful, so you can always reuse it. And you can see how pretty it's coming out. I really love that pattern. Super nice and high-end looking as well. So the last thing I want to do is I want to take this juice string and I want to wrap it around just 2 times right here on the bottom, and I'm going to hold it down with a little bit of hot glue. So I wrapped it twice, and I'm going to hold it with that, just like 1 bead of hot glue is fine. And I'm gonna do the same thing to the top, and on the top I'm going to add 1 bead onto my string because I want to give it that extra character and extra finish. And that will be it for this candle. And you guys, if you made it this far into my video, my friend, then it is time for our secret word of the day. You guys know I do this on all my videos, so I know you made it this far. So the word for today is coffee. So comment that down below in the comments, and I will know that you made it all the way to the end, and you are truly appreciated for that and for all your support. So thank you so much. And here's the final look at that candle. Once again, it's super beautiful, very easy to come together. Anyone can do it, and I hope you like it. I hope you like today's DIYs. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and do consider hitting that subscribe button so you can be a part of my YouTube family. And I will see you all on the next one. Take care and God bless. Bye.